What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano. Cardano tends to not correct as hard as many of the other altcoins, as I'm sure many of you have noticed if you're invested or trading Cardano. So currently we're down about 2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 41.61 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 1.36 billion. So we're going to jump straight into the analysis. So we do have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart, as well as a rising wedge, which signifies to us that we're going to see a little bit of correction with the price. Now we're just slightly falling out of our rising wedge. As you can see here, your technical target is down at about $1.22. I'm just going to drop in a line and give it a little price target. So if you do see us start to break down, continue to break down as we are having the bearish divergence and we fall out of our rising wedge, do expect us to come down to about $1.22. We are underneath the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart, and we are hitting it as resistance. So if we roll out of this pattern, do expect $1.22 as your level of support. If we quickly look at it here on the daily, I've dropped in that $1.22 right here as well. And you can see we did have support in that area. We had support here. We had some resistance here, previous swing high support in this area as well. So if we were to come down, we would lose the 20 EMA and we would start to see the 200 EMA creep up. And that could be a level of support for us here for Cardano. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, I did drop a Bitcoin video earlier today. Go check it out. We can see we're still testing that level, 38.5K. We do have a little bit of a bear flag. So if we were to break down from that pattern, that would also bring us down to about 37,149. Now we are seeing a little bit of a bullish divergence on the hourly chart. However, these can take time to play out. As you can see here, we created a low and then we created a lower low, but we're creating higher highs on the RSI. However, sometimes with the hourly RSI, it takes time to play out. You can still come down further and you may even create a higher low once again before you start to see that reversal in the trend. I prefer to see my divergences on the 4-hour chart to give me a stronger signal of when the reversal is close, as on the hourly, it can take much longer to play out. So do keep an eye on that. If we were to come down to 37,149, then I would expect Cardano to come down to that level of support at $1.22. If we look at the DXY, we can see the DXY has come back down to this level of support here at about 91, which was the technical target from our rising wedge. So if we do see a little bit of a relief bounce here with the DXY, where it comes back up to test this level of resistance along the 20 EMA once again, that's when you'll see Bitcoin come down to 37,149 and ADA come down to that target at $1.22. However, if we were to see Bitcoin bounce, if we held this level of support and we saw a bit of a reversal, we broke back above the EMAs here, I will drop in a level of resistance for our levels of resistance here for ADA would be back here at about $1.32. You can see resistance here supporting this area. And then this target up here at about $1.48. So keep a close eye on Bitcoin right now. If we lose the support, go short down to 37,149 would also line up with the 20 EMA on the daily. I'll quickly pop that open. You guys are probably like, Jax, we already saw this. But for anyone who didn't see my Bitcoin video, if we did come down to 37,149, we'd be finding support along the EMAs here. However, we are seeing the bearish divergence. We are seeing us starting to fall out of our rising wedge pattern. So if Bitcoin does break that support and comes down to that level, that's when we could see Cardano come down to $1.22. As we are seeing the bearish divergence, the price is rising, the RSI is falling, signifying a reversal in the trend. So that's your level of support, $1.22. And if we were to see a little bit of a relief bounce here, your level of resistance is here at $1.32. So just a little quick update here for ADA. If you do see us continue to break down from this pattern, you can go short down to $1.22, especially if you see Bitcoin start to break 38.5, break out of this bear flag, and then we head down to 37,149. then that's when you would see ADA come down to $1.22. So just a quick little update for you guys, a healthy correction in my opinion. Make sure to check out Bybit, full link tutorial on how to trade with leverage. You get up to $600 in bonuses for signing up through my referral. Make sure to smash that like button. You can follow me on social, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.